Hi guys, good afternoon. After my office work here in Makati, it's time to exercise again. One in the morning, one in the afternoon. Okay guys, I'm wearing my armband to determine my heart rate. It's blue, means okay, good. Turns to green, it means medium. Orange means warning, and red means critical. Okay, so I'm measuring my exercise. I'm basing it here with my heart rate indicator. You can see it's blinking. Okay guys, I need to exercise because yesterday we had sumptuous lunch on the birthday of our high school teacher, Ma'am Flor sa Panhila. Thank you, Ma'am Flor, and thank you to our batchmates and to our former teachers who attended. Finally met them again after 35 years. Oh my God, I saw them again after 35 years, guys. This is something guys, because guys, I'm not a person who attends yearly reunion in the school, the alumni. I usually do not attend, the yearly reunions. I'm just having my time in my own schedule and own mood, and depends also on the importance of the event, because I'm a busy person, family man, a husband, a father, a working person. Okay, there are many people who rely on me in my work. Okay. It's beautiful here guys, so look. I do rounds here to strengthen my heart, my body, my legs. Okay, to circulate the blood in my arteries, to make the heart pump slower, not harder. Make it pump harder by exercise, but in regular body, it must not pump hard, it must pump slow only. Okay, without any clogged arteries. Okay, to avoid high blood pressure and hypertension and all other kinds of heart disease or sugar increase in the blood. So you must exercise, make the blood flow through the veins, all parts of the veins and the muscles. Okay, from the feet up to the head, to the arms, to the body, all parts of the body must be flowing with good blood cells, not the bad cells. Okay guys, I'm touched by the messages of Ma'am Flor and to the messages of other teachers who attended the event yesterday, and I'm really thankful to God that I was able to share with them that moment. It's like I was high school again. It's like I was already back in my high school days, looking at their faces, watching them speak as they speak in the class when I was young. And not only that, their faces, I'm trying to remember the beautiful faces of them when they were still younger, 35 years ago. Okay guys, so now I'd like to share with you the greetings, the birthday greetings of my friends, my classmates, my batchmates who were not able to attend, but they want to extend the greetings to Ma'am Flor. Ma'am Flor sa Panhila, please indulge their messages, their well wishes to you on your birthday. We hope we have more like this, and we have more happy times, all of us together. Thank you again to all the who attended the birthday of Ma'am Flor. Thank you, Ma'am Flor, for everything, for giving us a taste of the good times when we were young in high school, sharing with us the happy days, the childhood days, teaching us, guiding us in a Filipino subject, and being the advisor of some of us. Thank you for the impartation, ma'am. We will cherish you always, your kindness to us, being like a mother to us. We love you, Ma'am Flor. Keep in touch always. God bless.
Isa pa po. One.
Next. Last name voice of Tagalog.
One, two, three. Last na. One.
Picture mo na tayo. After that. Miss Dita naman po.
Miss Dita naman po.
Miss Dita naman po.
Ayaw niya, ayaw.
Ito po ang isang pagkakataon na magpapasalamat kami kay Ma'am Flor at saka po sa lahat po ng mga teacher na nandito, mga kaibigan po niya. Mga naging teacher po namin kayo, malamang po hindi nila po kami maalala. Pero anim po kami magkakapatid na pakonyan, graduate po sa PACO. 3 babae po, tapos 3 lalaki rin. Ngayon po, si Ma'am Flor po kasi naging connect namin ulit sa mga teachers sa Mapua. Kasi po, syempre po, napansin ko naman po lahat po tayo rito na nandito sa room na to na nag-celebrate ng birthday ni Ma'am Flor. Meron po tayong common denominator eh. Ano po tayo, parang mapagmahal po tayo rin sa pamilya, sa Diyos, tapos sa mga nag-aruga sa atin, mga naging kasama natin nung araw, ganun. Tulad ngayon, si Ma'am Flor, siya naging channel of blessings para ma-extend din namin kasi kami, syempre mga nasa 50s na kami, gusto naman namin ma-return yung grasya o yung biyaya na natanggap namin sa buhay, sa mga aming mga pamilya, kasi hindi naman po tayo pababayaan ni Lord. Medyo siya po yung talagang connect po sa amin sa bawat isa, si teacher, si Ma'am Teresa, si Ma'am Aguilan, lahat po ng teacher po sa PACO. Siya po yung nagsasabi po sa amin na pwede natin tulungan si Ma'am gano'n. Opo, gano'n po kami lahat. Siya po yung naging channel. Sana po maging gano'n din po yung ibang teachers natin, mag-reach out po tayo. Kasi po, yung katulad po nung kami po, na po kami, mga busy sa work, gano'n, busy sa mga bata, busy sa pamilya, gano'n. Minsan po kasi, hindi na po namin maasikaso yung mga ganung bagay. Pero po, nandiyan po si Ma'am Flor, nag-remind sa amin na, come on, may ganito, may nangyari, may ganyan. Tulungan natin sila, tulungan natin. Okay po. Ganun po kami lahat. Tapos nire-reach out din namin yung mga friends namin, na mga kaklase namin, mga kabatch namin. So dumadami po yung tulong. dapat po ganun eh. Kahit po kasi yung maliliit lang yung mga na ibibigay, pero po pag marami po tayong nagtutulungan, lumalaki rin po yun. Para po, hindi po natin mapabayaan yung mga teachers natin. Kasi po sa totoo lang po, magkapera man tayo, yumaman man tayo, magkaroon tayo ng maraming bahay, 5, 6, 7, hindi na po yun mahalaga eh. Kasi at the end of the day po, pag tinawag na po tayo ng Diyos, iiwan lang po natin yun eh. Ibang na po ang gagamit nun. So, yung habang nabubuhay po tayo ganito, maganda po yung nagkakaroon tayo ng maliliit na small chats. Tara, may ganito, may sakit si ma'am, ganun. Tulungan natin, okay, pitch tayo. Maganda yun. Kaya po, ito sanang nabuo ni Rachel, na group na to. Maganda sana to maging parang pang Floor's Angels. Di ba? Parang...
Ayun guys. Ito guys. Color green na. Green na guys. Ang heart rate ko. Green. Yan. Yan, green. Ibig sabihin ng green, medium na ang heart rate ko. And then orange is warning. And red is critical. Okay. Sa pag green na, yan, nagbiblink siya ng green. Medyo rest muna ako. Kasi ayaw natin lagay sa warning yan, saka sa critical. So nakailang rounds na rin ako. Basa na ako ng pangis. Oh, nag-blue na uli siya guys. Oh. Nag-blue na uli siya. Pwede na ulit akong humataw. Tapos green ulit siya. Press ulit. Ganun guys, do you know why the inventors of modern smartphones thought of putting a reverse camera in every phone? So that people will never forget to look back